Every person in his or her childhood has dreamt of becoming a pilot. So does a little girl in the city of Lucknow who was born into an army family whose name is Gunjan Saxena. Her father, retired Lieutenant Colonel Anup Saxena, and brother both served in Indian Army. When Gunjan was in 5th grade, her cousin showed her cockpit of an airplane who was a pilot, and the thought of Gunjan becoming a pilot grew stronger. Gunjan Saxena graduated from Hansraj College in New Delhi with a Bachelor of Science degree in physics and then joined Delhi Flying Club at Safdarjung Airport. She was among a group of 25 women who joined the IAF in 1994. This was the first batch of women Air Force trainees for the IAF. She cleared the SSB exam and joined the Indian Air Force in 1994. She got the opportunity to join the first batch of women Indian Air Force trainee pilot, which consists of 25 women. The first posting of Gunjan's career was in Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir as a part of 132 Forward Area Control. While remembering her early days of posting, she said in an interview that when a course mate and I reached at Udhampur unit, we saw that the basic things like separate washroom and changing room for women were not there. To ensure privacy, me and my other female course mate would take turns guarding the gap while others change inside. Thankfully, that arrangement ended soon. In 1999, Gunjan Saxena and her associate Lieutenant Sri Vidya Rajan got a chance to serve the nation when Kargil war broke out between India and Pakistan. Gunjan was one of the pilots who flew over Kargil area and surveyed it to report any activity. Gunjan was associated with Operation Safed Sagar, in which she flew her Cheetah helicopter over hostile enemy territories to supply medical evacuation, spotting Pakistani position and rescue injured soldiers in the war. She has also helped in transporting supply to troops in the forward area of Dras and Batlik. She was the only female pilot based in Srinagar that flew hundreds of sorties during the war, evacuating over 900 injured casualties including those killed in Kargil war. While evacuating the dead and injured officers from the war zone, Gunjan's aircraft was fired upon by Pakistani troops and was harmed, but still she performed her duty and rescued the injured soldiers. Because of her magnificent courage and bravery in Kargil war, Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena became the first woman who was awarded with Shaurya Chakra. Because of her extraordinary role in Kargil war, she was often termed as Kargil Girl. In 2004, after serving for 7 years as a chopper pilot, Gunjan Saxena's service with Indian military came to an end. Her husband is an IAF officer who is also a pilot and flies Mi-17 helicopter. They have a daughter named Pragya who was born in 2004 and currently are residing in Jamnagar, Gujarat. Even after showing her extraordinary and brilliant skill in combat and winning multiple medals, she served in army only for 7 years because she was a short service commissioned officer and did not quite have the opportunities which women in Air Force have today. If permanent commission was there at that time, Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena might still be in Air Force today. If you want more of this content, please like the video and subscribe the channel so that whenever we drop a new video, you will get notified every single time.